Bros, welcome back. Big development. I just had a birthday and I got 2 new games. Look at this. I got Battletanks Global Assault. This is one of the best Nintendo 64 games out there. If I had to pick a multiplayer game that I was going to play with people, it would be this one. Literally this one. This beats GoldenEye. This beats Perfect Dark. In my opinion, this is the best game on N64 for multiplayer. And I got it. I'm so happy about this. This was from... Who gave this to me? This was from my sister Amy and her boyfriend Haas. Thank you, Amy and Haas, for this. And next we've got Super... Okay, this one blows my mind that this even exists. This is Super Mario 64 split screen multiplayer. Can you believe that? This is a ROM hack, and I'm just so amazed that this exists, because as a kid I wished I could play as Luigi, and now I can finally. What is it, 20 years later, 25 years, 30 years later? Almost. No, it's probably 25 years later or whatever. I can't do math in my head when I'm on the spot, but I'm going to play this with my niece. This is going to be fun. But first, before we even... Okay, so here's the plan. The plan is I'm going to play Battletanks Global Assault, but not today. I can't play this until I beat this. I got to beat Army Men Sarge's Heroes first. We're on... what would it be? Episode map 4. We just beat map 4 on my last playthrough, and now we got to do 5. There's 14 maps. Can you believe that? I got to beat all these. I got to beat this whole game before I can move on to the next game. So that's what we're doing today. Let's load it up. Let's play Army Men Sarge's Heroes from 1999, and I'm gonna need my little notebook, which has the whatever it's called, the codes. I need the codes. Yeah, just got back from Red Robin. With my family. My birthday dinner. Got gifts. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh, I got some Pokemon cards too. Got some Pokemon cards, a fat stack of Pokemon cards to add to my collection. Sarge's Heroes, there we go. So, okay, let's go ahead and try to load the map here. Let me put that there. Let me put it over here. Keep things consistent, that's where I put it, over here. Okay, so campaign input code, yes. Is this a 2-player game? That's not what I wanted. I wanted to enter the code. Yeah, I probably ate like 3,000 calories in that meal. That was a lot of food. I got the hold on, I can't do 2 things at once. TLL TRS TLL TRS. Oh, Forest. I was like worried for a second. I thought... Sorry, I'm doing multiple things. Alright, let's just start. Forest. The Helichopper. Alright. Rumble packs, don't got him. Cross the bridge. That's it? Okay. Yeah, so I ate at Red Robin. My order was getting shot from over there. I think I'm I can't talk. I've got too many thoughts in my head, and I'm not taking the time to process them. Okay. My order at Red Robin was a bonsai burger with garlic fries, and I ended up not liking the garlic fries. So when I got more fries, because you get infinite fries there, my reload of fries, I just got regular steak fries. I had like I was hoping for like When I thought garlic fries, I thought the baseball field in Washington, what's that called? Mariners Field? I was thinking, oh, Mariners Field garlic fries, those are the best. Maybe it's like that at Red Robin. No, it's nothing like that. Ugh, not good, not good. Not gonna get those garlic fries again. Sticking with the steak fries. Guy up on the hill. It's not even a hill, it's just a ledge. So, sorry, yeah, I was stuttering a lot there. Gotta warm up, gotta warm up. Right, Bonsai Burger and my dad always gets the stack of onion rings as an appetizer. And then I also got a chocolate milkshake. Super delicious and so big. It's like the milkshake, they always give you the cup, the metal cup that they mix it in, plus the glass cup that they serve it in. It's just so filling. Oh, right, and I also had a Coke. I don't drink soda, like, ever. But I decided it's my birthday, I'm gonna drink this soda that's terrible for me. But it's okay to do that because it's like once a year I'll drink a soda. A Sodar. So I had a Coke. And I got a refill on the Coke. And I'm like, I probably don't want the refill. I drank like half of the refill. But I drank the entire first one. Where am I getting shot from? This is a cool level. Alright, I gotta remember how to play. It's been like a month since I played this last. Right, I can strafe if I hold right C. Oh. Oh, guy up high. Yeah, that was a lot of food, because I wasn't even that hungry, because I ate some hamburger helper leftovers. I was finally brave and I bought ground beef. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna die if I don't kill him right now. Okay, I need health right now. I've been like, oh gosh, I need health. There's a guy right around the corner. I don't think I could peek without taking a hit, so let me search for some health. Something here, what is that? I think that's more ammo. I've been afraid to buy meat because, like, it's not something I'm used to. Like, I'll buy meat that's like canned meat. I'll buy that. I'll buy Spam. I'll buy hot dogs, but uncooked meat, I'm afraid of that because I don't know. I'm just maybe afraid of foodborne illness. Maybe it's because I was vegan for 7 years. So I'm like not used to buying meat and preparing it. I might die here. I think there's a really good chance I'll die here. What guns do I have? I have the snipper rifle. Okay. But if I get hit once, I'm donezo. Oh gosh. Okay, that was clutch. I did take a hit, but apparently I had enough health to not die. Health. Oh, thank goodness. I have a feeling there's guys over here. So I'm just like blind firing. What is this music? Okay, there's a ton of guys on the map right here. Let me switch to snipper rifle. Let me strafe to put myself out of harm's way. It's hard to see in third person mode, but I can see in the first person. Where's the guy shooting from? The tree tops. Oh, it's a MG. There we go. Got him. Okay. So there's gonna be more guys somewhere. Where is that coming from? I can't tell where the shots are coming from. Oh. Up high on the right. Oh, up high on the left too. Okay. He's like shooting over my head. Okay, so I can't touch the water from what I remember from last time. Does that mean I gotta jump on these rocks? Oh no. That seems really easy to mess up. Let me... Oh! There's a guy over there. Let me... Did I get him? Just barely see the top of his head. Got him. Okay, I don't like crossing on these tiny rocks. 'Cause this next one gets smaller. Alright, nailed it. Nailed it! There we go. This is their camp, apparently. Do I need that health right now, or should I save it? Oh, what's this? MG? Nice. I'll just get the health. Yeah. I'm realizing. Shoot him! Shoot him! I'm realizing the N64 doesn't have the best controller. The N64 doesn't have the best controller for at least first-person shooters. You really want 2 analog sticks, but N64 only has 1. Oh, I got flinched. I'm so excited for Mod Retro's M64. They did an update on the newsletter. Where's that shot coming from? They updated and they said it's going to be released in July. And I've got the early bird pricing secured because look at that. He's just right there. He's just right there, but he hasn't been able to shoot me this whole time because he's too dumb. He's trying to shoot through the log. Yeah, M64, I got the early bird pricing because I got on the newsletter, and they said they're going to close the early bird pricing soon. So I'm like, yeah, I got that price locked in. There's multiple ways to go here. I don't know if this is the right way. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him, shoot, shoot. I'm getting flinched like crazy. Just spraying and praying and letting that auto aim take care of everything. Okay, he can't shoot me apparently, and I can't shoot him. So let me get precise with the snipper rifle. There we go. Man, I'm excited to play those new games. There's a ton of guys on this map. Man, my controls went all wonky there. That was weird. It's another guy that can't shoot me. You gotta shoot over the log, buddy. Shoot over the log. Okay. Oh, there's another guy. It's a runner. Man, the scariest unit in this game, I think, are the guys with the flamethrowers. Because if they hit you once, you're pretty much dead. You can actually take a tank round like twice before you die, but a flamethrower, one and you're done. The burn is going to get you. Wait, is there a guy up above me? Is he in the tree? What the heck? How is he not hitting me? Buddy, you had one job. Oh, the AI in this game is bad at times. Sometimes it's okay. Sometimes it's bad though. What can you expect though? It's 1999. Like, they didn't have first-person shooters or third-person shooters dialed in yet. That was like a new medium. What's happening here? Oh, yellow helicopter. I need an RPG. Oh, he's got missiles. He blew up the bridge. Why are you crawling? What are you doing? Oh, cool. That was the end of the map. That was the end of the map. Okay, let me grab a pen so I can write down this code. I know I could look up the codes, but I don't want to. Yeah, that dinner was massive. What a massive meal. But I actually rode my bicycle this morning for 4 hours. I did a 4-hour bike ride this morning. So I had plenty of room for food after that. SCR DCT. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna need some water soon. Let me get water now. Let me get water now. Mark down. Drink some water. Okay. Yeah, what a day. I actually took a nap. I did my bicycle ride. I went to Idaho. Rode to Post Falls and back. Mile marker 8 in Idaho on the Centennial Trail. What do I push here? Cancel, I guess. Okay, what happens now? He's like, looking back, the bridge is broken. Mission objectives: Hoover, locate and rescue Hoover, locate enemy camp, enter the portal. Alright, we got a Stargate. We gotta get to the Stargate. Alright, let's go find Hoover. Yes, sir. Oh, bad guys. Bad guys. Bad guys. Yeah, that was a huge meal. Can't believe it. Can't believe I ate that whole thing. Oh, is there a guy up there? What is that? Oh, it's ammo. Grenades. Oh, what's up here? Ooh. Snipper rifle? Yes, sir. It pays to explore. It pays to explore. It's like Half-Life 2. There's always secret stuff if you go looking for it. Oh, they pop up out of nowhere. I'm getting flinched. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot. Oh, we gotta move. We gotta move. Move. Ah. Did you see that? I couldn't shoot. I was holding down Z. Alright, I know where the pop-ups are now. I know where the pop-up guys are at. Get him. Get him. Oh, I'm low on ammo. Let me get the sniper rifle. Sorry, the snipper rifle. Need the snipper rifle. And oh, it's a health up here. Okay. Can I snip the guys that pop up? No, they just don't exist yet. Let me inch forward. I'm actually going to run past this guy, so I only have to deal with one at a time. There we go. Lined it up. Didn't even have to turn. Just hold down the trigger. I need ammo. Is this M16 ammo? Yes, it is. Is this a shotgun? Did I pick it up? Yeah, it's a shotgun. Okay. Excuse me. Something up high on these ledges. Oh, they're making me jump in the dangerous water to get stuff. Oh no! Oh no, wait. Okay, apparently I can go in the the shallow water. I can go in the shallow water. I can't go in the deep water. Water. I'm having a hard time speaking. Oh gosh, what the heck? There's a guy with a missile launcher. Stop shooting me. Oh, kill him. Okay, apparently auto aim is not as effective when you're up high. Where'd that guy go? Oh, there he is. Can you get out from right underneath me? I don't know if I killed him or not. There he is. He's running around like a crazy person. Did he just run through the wall? What the heck? He's going in my blind spot. Get out of there. I only have 2 bullets left. How annoying is that? I'm just running past those guys. Oh gosh, there's a ton of guys up here. I only have, oh, I'm in a bad spot. I only have, what, 5 bullets? What? No, don't. Oh my gosh. I am in a bad spot. Let me just lob grenades at everybody. And hope that hope that I can kill him. Okay. That kind of worked. Oh gosh, it's the RPG guy. Okay. I think we are saved. Okay, let me see if I can get ammo and then go back and kill that one other guy and get the ammo back there. Oh, there's ammo up here. Maybe I don't need to go back. Let's just skip that guy. Health, I need it desperately. More ledges to go up on. Now let's skip those secret areas, man. This game is not fun enough to go to all the secret areas. Let's just try to get through some levels here. Die, potato! Ah! There we go. Okay. Can I go up here? Oh, I just slid down. I'm getting lit up. Move! I'm getting flinched like crazy. That's the worst thing about getting shot by these MG guys. Alright. Give up your position. Where are you? Let me use some more grenades. Oh, he's right there. Yeah! I've got a sliver of health left. This is not good. Let me just hope to get lucky on that grenade toss. The forest is on fire. No! This level's hard. This level's hard. I hope this... If this... Last time I played this game, it took me 3 hours to beat level 4. I do not want to get stuck on this level for 3 hours. Why am I struggling so much? What am I doing so wrong? This game is not that hard. It's not that hard. I'm just so bad at it. Maybe that's what I should do. Charge in there. This is not a stealth game. Just charge in there. Use the auto aim. The auto aim is so OP. Grab this ammo. Yeah, I think this is how you're supposed to play. Charge in there. Charge in there. Shoot it! There we go. I'm just skipping that guy. Yes! I think this is how the game is meant to be played. You just run in there. Run in there, auto aim. See that? Auto aim is so OP. I need health. Oh, there's some health.
Good to go.
I need to... I'm going the wrong way. I think I went back to the start. Yeah. Okay. Follow the map. Follow the mini-map. Here we go. I think this is the way. Do I have any more stories? I don't know. Stories from dinner time. I was just, oh my gosh, there's so many guys here. There's a ton of guys here, and I have a sliver of health left. I need health right now. Oh no! Okay. Okay. I'm gonna be honest, I think this is gonna take me 3 hours. I think this is gonna take me 3 hours. So lock in, boys!
Good to go.
Just gotta memorize where all the health is at. I think that'll help me get through it. Okay, so what's over here? Is it worth risking this again? Oh, was that flamethrower? It was. Okay. Is it possible to light myself on fire? Ooh, grenades might help me later on. Oh gosh. Took a direct hit there. Okay, I need health. Shoot him! I gotta backtrack and get health.
Good to go.
Could use some ammo too, because I'm doing a lot of praying and spraying. There we go. Okay. Shoot that guy up on the hill. Shoot that guy behind the log. Shotgun? Or, no, this is MG. Any secrets up here? Oh. Oh, okay. We gotta overlook. Let me actually line up the shot. Let me kill these guys. Shoot the big threat, the guy with the RPG. Yeah, this is a good place to be, because they cannot hit me, but I can hit them. And I'm out of MG. Let me switch to sniper rifle. I didn't pick up the sniper rifle at the start. Oh no. Is that a guy over there? Is a tree blocking my shots? Yeah, if I can take out a bunch of these guys before I even go down there, that's gonna be a big benefit for me. Can't tell if that guy's dead or not, so I'll just shoot him some more. Okay. Now let me try to get this guy way over there. There we go. Yes, this is a good spot. Oh, there's a sniper rifle here. Okay. Yeah, we cleared out this little valley. Let's just drop down there. What's in these tents over here? Anything? Oh, health. I need that.
Good to go.
Good to go. Now let's go in these tents. Oh, health in the tent. Okay, I'm at full health. Let me not get that. Don't want to waste the health. Might need to come back and get it. Oh, there's 1 health in every tent. Almost every tent. It's a bulletproof tent, apparently. It's good for me. Got him. Oh, guy across the river. Am I hitting the tent? Bulletproof tent? No, I got him. Okay. Guy over there. Up on the hill. Okay. Got flinched. Got the kill. Yes, sir. Okay. Let me grab a health because there's a surplus of health. Oh. Missed the health. There we go. Alright, so coming up on the X. That's good. Okay, let me blast these guys. Just kind of shooting blindly. There's got to be guys over here. Oh, I'm getting double flinched. Triple flinched. Oh, this is bad. This is bad. This is bad. We're running back. We're running back. Gonna go get the health. It's getting triple flinched there. When you get triple flinched, you can't get a single shot out. It's crazy. Okay, let me get this health.
Good to go.
We will pie the corner. Pie the corner. Take him out with the snipper rifle. I cannot talk today. Cannot talk today. Oh. There's a metal detector over there. That means there's gonna be mines. Is that a guy that I can see through the wall? Pie in the corner. Got him. Love that sound. Pew! Pew! Okay. Whoa. Controls went wonky there for a second. Taking fire. Shoot him. Got him. Can't go down. What's this? Oh! It's, what's his face? Hoover! I thought you were captured. I slipped away when the tan guards were wrestling with whoever. These goons forced him through some weird energy field. Energy field? A portal? You gotta take me to it. The text is so fast in this game. But that's on the other side of the minefield. Where's your spine, soldier? You're a minesweeper. Start sweeping. This gun is backwards. Object. Locate and complete. Locate. I can't even read this. This goes too fast. There's a guy on the hill. Okay, so he's got his metal detector. I've got my metal detector. Is it trying to tell me that I need to detect mines here? Or it probably starts up here. Just convenient minefield signs. Okay, there's a mine there. There's bad guys up ahead. Yeah, I need an extra N64 controller now. So I've got some Pokemon cards that I don't need as part of my collection because I'm collecting Pokemon numbered 1 through 151, I think. Yeah. So Pokemon that are not within that range, I don't need. So I have like 1,000 cards. I picked all the cards I need. So I'm thinking I'll sell the ones I don't need, get some in-store credit, and then buy an N64 controller. So we have this local game store. If you're ever in Spokane Valley, the best game store is Pixel and Pack on University Road. It's so good. The guys in there have the best customer service, and they're just super cool to talk to you about any games. They've got N64 stuff. They've got Pokemon cards. They've got Magic cards. Great store. My favorite store. And this controller I actually got there for $12. It's a reproduction. It's made in China, but it's solid, and the thumbstick is good. Thumbstick is upgraded compared to what the original N64 had. The original N64 had a design flaw in the thumbstick. Do I still need to be checking for mines here, or is that the end of it? I'm paranoid because it's this narrow little place here. Oh no, not a tank. Do I have an RPG? I do. Okay. I don't remember picking this up, but oh, there's the portal. This is Bravo Leader 1 to Sly Fox. We've located the Tan Camp. I have Private Hoover with me now, sir. Good. Have Hoover report back to the helipad for evac. Move out, Private. You don't have to tell me twice, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Hoover said the Tan took Thick through a portal. Find that portal and rescue. Thick? Is that the guy's name? Find enemy camp. Complete next objective. Enter portal. Okay, I gotta take out a tank. Wait, why am I kneeling? Wait, lag, there's like frame drop here. Let me shoot this barrel. Okay, apparently because I'm kneeling, I can't hit that, so get up, stand up. Shoot the barrel, make it okay, apparently those barrels don't explode. At least the sniper rifle doesn't make them explode. Oh gosh, I'm out of bullets, and I'm low on health. This is not good. I'm backtracking to find some health. What is going on with these controls? But that's the minefield. Is there even health back there? I don't know. Ah. There's health. Gimme. I wish I had more sniper ammo. Why am I so zoomed out? I don't know how to zoom in. Apparently you can zoom out, you can't zoom in. That's annoying. Now the tank is looking at me. Let me get some shots off on this tank. Oh no! He sees me. Move! Get back! Oh, I hate the controls. I hate the controls. Okay, that was stressful. Oh, there's a mortar. Let me grab the mortar. Let me throw grenades. Let me kill everything. I hate how walking backwards is so slow. Wait, is that a mortar coming towards me? Okay. Oh yeah, the mortar goes far. Only got 4 shots though. That came up short, or that was too far. Am I shooting the tank or am I shooting the guys? I don't even know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Let me... Sure. Oh, yes! I didn't think that would hit, but it did. That worked out. Okay. Let me clean up the rest of these bad guys. Okay, let me go down there. Let me gather all this loot. Probably don't need any of this, because the end of the map is right here, I think. Ammo. Oh gosh. Oh, they spawned in. They're coming through the portal. Shoot them, shoot them, shoot them. Oh no. No, 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 no. I was too slow. Okay, I need health immediately. I don't know if there's still guys, so I'm just kind of blindly shooting. There was health. There were 2 health packs back here. Where are they? I need the health.
Good to go.
That is incredible that I did not die. I thought for sure I was dead there. 4 guys versus 1 me. No health. Not even a sliver. I was probably at 0.0001 health right there. Okay. That would have sucked so bad if I died there. Because that was literally the end. Okay. Ooh. Okay, okay. That only took me 14 minutes and 39 seconds. Okay, I'm writing down this code. Sierra, Tango, Papa, Delta, Mike, November. And that's it. That's it. I'm doing 2 maps per play session. So that's it for this session. Thank you so much for watching. I'm having a hard time talking, probably because I only got like an hour of sleep in the past 24 hours. Yeah, I've been awake since, well, no, I got an hour of sleep, but then before that, I woke up at midnight this morning. And then I worked on the computer, and then I went cycling for 4 hours. Then I watched YouTube, and then I slept for an hour, and then I went to Red Robin and ate a crazy amount of food. And now I'm feeling kind of sleepy, so maybe I'll sleep again. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day.